Welcome back to my video, and this right here is my finished look. Hopefully you guys like it. I am a dead bride. Everything was handmade. I created all of this. Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a drum roll. Get ready with me, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is a Halloween look, and I'm doing a I'm gonna be a zombie, not a zombie, I'm gonna be a dead bride for Halloween. So you guys are going to come along for the ride. This is my first time ever doing a gory, scary Halloween look. I've done Halloween before. I did a skull makeup look before, and it was really cute, but I've never done like bloody, gory, with blood and like wounds and all that. I've never done it, so it's my first time. So don't judge me if it doesn't come out perfect, but I want to try my best, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm also gonna be going live on my Instagram page because I asked my followers if they would want to see me do my makeup on live, and they said that they did. So I'm gonna do that. But you know, lives are only good for 24 hours, so that's why I'm also recording a video so that you guys can look at it and see how I do my makeup. So stay tuned. Don't judge me because I'm gonna try my best. I'm not perfect, but you know, I watched a few videos on YouTube to like see how you do it. So this is my attempt at doing like a scary, gory makeup. It's real. If you're like scared, I might scare y'all because it is gonna get pretty scary how I'm gonna do this makeup. Because I'm gonna clean my face to make sure like it's completely clean and I don't have like no oils and stuff on my face, because once I just really want this makeup to like stick. I got like some like stuff for my makeup so I can be scary or whatever. We'll see how it goes. So first things first, I want to do my makeup, but I feel like I need to start with this because like, I want to like do my makeup and then it get fucked up and then I gotta start all over again. So now I bought this at Walmart and it was like what did I do? I think it was like $4. Everything that I bought, I probably spent maybe like $10 on it, maybe. Now all I gotta say is I hope that this works, this little crap that I bought, because if it don't work, I'm gonna be mad. I don't want to like get shit on my clothes. I'm gonna have to go get some toilet paper because I feel like this is gonna take forever and I don't got all night. I gotta be ready in like a couple hours, and look, this is gonna take forever. I'll be back. And not, trust me, I do not have all day to try to be figuring this shit out. Like this needs to be happening a whole lot quicker than what it is. No, it's not sticking. Okay. I don't got time. My bad, y'all. I look crazy. But guess what? I'm doing this for y'all. AKA, just kidding. Nah, I'm doing it for myself because I like to dress up. Because I'm going to be dead. I'm going to be wearing purples, blues, blacks. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know. You got that. Alright, y'all, I am back. My face is still gonna be snatched. Bro, wait till y'all see what the I do. Thank you so much for liking my artwork. Wait till you see when I'm finished. I'll definitely scare the hell out of y'all. Y'all gonna be like, ugh, what the is up with her?
And they better now, they can get their ass whooped.
Y'all gonna be scared low key, but it's just makeup, so it comes off. Does anybody know what I'm gonna be for Halloween? Anybody wanna take a guess?
Can I guess?
No, cause you already know.
Oh.
If you know what I am, you can't say nothing.
Are you almost done with it? We just gotta do the blood, right?
Yeah.
I need that lighting for my...
Are y'all ready for the blood or nah? Blood is coming. Y'all is not ready for blood. I'm gonna be using this, and I'm so sorry y'all, because I'm really like not doing my job, because I'm supposed to be telling y'all what I'm using and I'm not. But it's time for the blood. Y'all see the blood? Oh no. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. But are y'all ready though? My blood didn't leak right. Can you tell somebody killed me? So make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what you think about my Halloween look. And if there's any other looks that you guys would like to see, make sure, like I said, you like and comment and you let me know below in the comments what you think about this look.
Yes.
From my exes when they want a second chance.
Is that what you're listening to?
A mí me la regalan. Do I look dead yet? Do I look like somebody killed me?